Hi guys, it's Natalie, your public speaking and communication coach. Now we're into our final 9 days of the NK Public Speaking Challenge. In the next videos, I'm going to take you through some of the most crucial parts of the public speaking process. I'll get you ready for your final challenge on day 30. Let's begin. Now, every opportunity you have to speak with someone in a business or professional setting is a chance for you to sell yourself, your business, or your idea. Now, to make sure you create the best first impression, today I want you to find some time to work on 3 of your elevator pitches. If you don't know what this is, I have included a link to it below. Your 3 elevator pitches are the 30-second, the 1-minute, and the 5-minute pitches. So essentially, you have a quick pitch, a medium pitch, and a longer extended pitch for any occasion you encounter. Now it's time for you to present it. Do each one and make sure you record it on video so you can watch it and analyze your presentation. Remember to keep working at it until you feel comfortable to tell the world your message with confidence and pride. If you'd like, please share it with me so that I can see your progress. Thank you so much for participating in my 30-day NK Public Speaking Challenge. I hope you had fun, and I look forward to seeing you become a powerful speaker. Good luck, you can do it. You're watching my 30-day Public Speaking Challenge. If you like this video or any of my other content, please do consider liking, commenting, or sharing. If you're watching on YouTube, please subscribe. Good luck and thank you.